Hey, what's up? Welcome back. So today we're working on the E46 again. We're gonna continue part 3 on the turbo belt, and I did this custom downpipe at the 3.5 inches, and then I got this turbo cover, or whatever you guys want to call it. I got this one on Amazon. I think it was $39.99. That was the cheapest one I could find. And then yeah, I think I showed you this turbo cover on my previous video. But yeah, that's all I've done to it. Oh, and the intercooler. I got the intercooler in. As you can see, I welded these little brackets in here, and then there's another one on the bottom. This one right here to hold it in place. So it's now nice and secure. So the only things I have left to do is install the wastegate, and then finish the cold side on the intake. I'm already working on it, and it's not that difficult. I think I'll get it done tonight. So right now it's 1 in the morning. I couldn't sleep, and that's because I don't know, I couldn't go to sleep without turning on the car with the intake connected and everything. So I couldn't sleep. So once I do that, I'm gonna turn it on, probably take it for a test drive. It actually runs right now. I can turn it up for you guys so you guys could hear. The only thing I have left is to connect the intake and the wastegate. I'm not gonna be running a blow-off valve, so I don't need to worry about that. So let me give you guys a quick cold start, so you guys could hear. Again, it's 1 in the morning. I live out of the city, so it's no big deal. I don't got any neighbors. I just want to see, look how bad this thing looks without the front bumper. It looks really nice. I'm gonna put you guys right here so you guys can see the turbo spin. There it is. All right. So as you can see, it's running. It runs really smooth. I'm gonna let it warm up a little bit, and then I'm gonna rev it so you guys can hear how loud it is. So I'm pretty sure it shoots flames. I'm gonna put you guys on the bottom, see if we can get some flames on camera. Yeah, so it's really loud. I'm gonna make a custom I'm not sure if I should do a 3-inch or a 4-inch, but it's gonna be custom. I'm gonna have 2 vibrant resonators and then a muffler in the back. So I wanted to keep it quiet because I don't want to get pulled over and then get state refs and not be able to drive the car again. So I'm gonna try to keep it as quiet as possible and to keep it as stock, to make it look stock as possible. So now I'm gonna go ahead and finish the cold side of the intake, and then after I get done with that, I'm gonna start working on the wastegate. It's really easy. All right, guys, so it's the next day. It is 9, I think. Yeah, 9:12. So yesterday I started working on the intake piping, and then I don't know, out of nowhere I started feeling sleepy. So I went to bed, I got some sleep. Here we are again. I like working during the night because here where I'm at, it's really hot. It gets over 100 degrees every day here in California. So I'm gonna finish this. I'm probably gonna do like a time lapse. All right, we got the first side completed. Looks pretty good. No crazy bends or anything. Looks solid. It's not gonna go anywhere. Right here too. So looks really nice. So now this is gonna be the hardest part. A bit more difficult, but hopefully it's not a big it's not a big deal. So yeah, after I'm done with this, then we're gonna jump on the wastegate, and then we're gonna put the bumper back on. Hopefully it fits. I already had to make some I already had to cut part of it right here in order to fit the intercooler. So cross my fingers, hopefully still fits with the intake piping on. Okay, so I just got done with the other side. Check out how that looks. Oh my god, this looks so good. Looks really nice. Now unfortunately I'm gonna have to put the bumper on. So we're almost there. Still need to get fuel injectors and fuel pump, but yeah, almost there. And I still have to put on my wastegate and the gauges, the AFR gauge and boost gauge. But yeah, it looks really nice. I love how it looks without the bumper. So anyways, I'm gonna close this video right here, and then probably in the next video we're gonna probably install the gauges or fuel pump, ejectors. I still don't know yet. I'm gonna get started right now. I'm not gonna include it on this video because I don't want to make it too long. So yeah, anyways, thanks for watching and see you next time.